Ever wondered how to create a thriving garden with native plants? Imagine having a lush landscape that not only beautifies your surroundings, but also supports local wildlife and significantly reduces your water usage. Well, you're in the right place to learn just that. First off, what are native plants? Native plants are those that have developed over time in a specific region or ecosystem. They've adapted beautifully to the local climate and soil conditions where they naturally occur. These plants are fundamental components of our native habitats, supporting local birds, insects, and other wildlife. They are the backbone of our ecosystems, keeping them vibrant, healthy, and balanced. Now that we understand what native plants are, let's move on to the first step in starting your native plant garden. The first step in starting your native plant garden is choosing the right plants. Consider factors like your local climate, soil type, and the amount of sunlight your garden will receive. Once you've chosen your plants, it's time to prepare your garden. Preparing your garden properly is crucial for your native plants to thrive. Start by testing the soil's pH and nutrient levels. Following this, clear any weeds. If your soil needs a boost, consider adding compost. With your garden prepared, it's time to plant. Now comes the fun part, planting your native plants. Begin by digging a hole that's twice the width and the same depth as your plant's root ball. Tuck your plant in gently and fill the hole with soil, ensuring there's no air pockets. Water generously, then apply a layer of mulch to retain moisture. Remember, native plants thrive with seasonal care. Prune in spring, water less in winter, and always keep an eye out for pests. With these steps, you're well on your way to a thriving native plant garden. Starting a native plant garden is a rewarding way to contribute to your local ecosystem. We've discussed choosing the right plants, preparing your garden, and caring for it. Remember, this endeavor not only beautifies your space, but also supports biodiversity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.